Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's episode, we will be learning how you can easily share a Word file in Microsoft Word application using your mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First, launch open the Microsoft Word app on your smartphone or tablet and log in. Now open up the document you want to share. After you open up your document, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the little arrow facing upwards. Now, it'll open up the share option where you need to choose how you want to share. You can send a copy of the document to your friend by tapping Send a Copy and select one of the contacts or messaging application or whichever method you want to share it with, and you'll be able to share the copy of your document to the contact. Next thing you can do is to copy the link by tapping on Copy Link and then select if you'd like to make it view only or view and edit. And after retrieving the link, you can then go ahead and send it to one of your contacts or your friends. Now, if you want to invite people to your document, click the Invite People button from the top and tap the plus button. Select any contact you want to access the document with, and then choose if they can edit the document. If you want them to edit the document, you can toggle on this button at the bottom. If you don't want them to edit the document, just view the document, then you can toggle it off and tap on Send. Soon after you do that, you will be able to share a Word file on Microsoft Word using mobile device. You can also share the file via email, Messenger, Gmail, Drive, or other installed application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.